All right, let's continue this. I apologize. I had reached my maximum time. So the interest expense on September 30th is $60. On October 31st, the interest expense was $170. November 30th was $300. And December 31st, excuse me, it was $240. When we go and tally these, not tally, but put the final note, this comes to a credit balance of $42,500. This interest payable has a credit balance of $590, and the interest expense has a debit balance of $770. All right. So the next part is to show the balance sheet presentation of notes payable and interest payable at December 31st. And so I have here the a partial balance sheet for the liability section. And so when we look up at our T count, the notes payable is that balance there. So we will add that, $42,500. And the interest payable, as we see here, has a balance of $590. And that comes to a total of $43,090. So that's our portion of the balance sheet. The final part of the problem is to answer how much interest expense relating to notes payable did Eller incur during the year. And that is this total up here of $770. So we will just enter that. And that is the end of that problem. So again, it's not one that is assigned for homework, but it's been valuable to work it out, and I hope it's valuable for you to watch this. I have worked through a lot of the other problems. If you would like to comment and request that I work through one of those, I can certainly do that. But for now, signing off.